Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Okay. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, and unfortunately we do not have the timer highlighted somewhere here, but that's okay. All we have to do is to enter the settings, so let's tap on this icon and localize the timer. It is right here. Let's tap on it, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option, it will be immediately applied. And now we can go back to the camera. We do not have any kind of notification that we have the timer set, but that's okay. Let's simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, your device will right now count down from 10, 5 or 2, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. So this is how it works. Of course, you can always turn off the timer, just tap on the timer again, tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.